Have you ever wondered how a reality TV star turned her passion into a billion-dollar empire? What if I told you it wasn't just her famous family or social media influence, but her sharp business strategies that made Kylie Jenner a billionaire? In today's video, we're exploring the rise of Kylie Cosmetics, how Kylie transformed a single product into one of the most successful beauty businesses worldwide. From savvy investments to creating a powerful brand platform, Kylie's journey is a masterclass in entrepreneurship. Stick around as we uncover the business moves, marketing strategies, and innovations that led Kylie Jenner to become a self-made billionaire. Let's dive in. The birth of Kylie Cosmetics, from passion to profit. In 2015, Kylie Jenner launched Kylie Cosmetics, starting with the iconic Kylie lip kits. Inspired by her own struggles to find the perfect lip products, Kylie decided to create a line of lip kits that were not only affordable but also high quality. Her vision was clear: create a product that would resonate with the masses. Her decision to create her own line was influenced by a desire to establish a personal brand outside of her family's shadow. The Kylie lip kits were a huge hit, selling out almost immediately after launch. In fact, these initial sales took the beauty industry by surprise. Kylie sold her first 15,000 units in just a few hours, generating over $400,000 in revenue. But what sets her apart from other celebrities in the beauty industry? Ownership. Unlike many celebrity lines that partner with existing beauty brands, Kylie retained full ownership of Kylie Cosmetics, ensuring that 100% of the profits went directly to her. This was a game changer, giving her the control she needed to steer the brand in the direction she wanted. Her success wasn't just about launching a product. It was about creating something that felt personal and exclusive to her followers. She built an authentic connection with her audience, which made the brand more than just a cosmetic line. It became part of her identity. Leveraging social media for massive exposure. Kylie's rise was largely thanks to her massive social media following. With over 100 million followers on Instagram and an even larger number on Snapchat, Kylie was able to reach her audience directly. This immediate access to her fans allowed her to market her lip kits and other products without spending a fortune on traditional advertising. Instead of spending millions on ads or magazine spreads, Kylie tapped into her personal brand, using her social media accounts as her main marketing channel. Every time she posted a picture or video featuring her lip kits, her fans flocked to purchase them, making the sales go through the roof. This direct connection with her audience built an authentic and loyal customer base that trusted her brand. She wasn't just selling products, she was creating a community of followers who felt connected to her journey. What made this strategy even more powerful was that Kylie wasn't just promoting her products through regular posts. She used Instagram stories, live streams, and even behind-the-scenes content to engage with her audience. This created an exclusive feel to her brand and made fans feel like they were part of her personal world. Strategic product launches and limited edition collections. To keep her fans engaged and interested, Kylie began releasing limited edition collections that were only available for a short time. These exclusive drops created a sense of urgency, prompting fans to rush and buy the products before they sold out. This strategy kept the brand fresh and exciting and prevented any complacency from setting in. Holiday collections, birthday collections, and collaborations with other celebrities created buzz around the brand, ensuring constant visibility. The limited-time aspect made her fans feel like they were part of something exclusive, making them more likely to make a purchase and share the excitement with others. This clever tactic helped Kylie sustain momentum for her brand in its early stages. These special releases ensured her products remained highly desirable and created repeat customers who looked forward to each new drop. Additionally, Kylie capitalized on the excitement of her fans, often teasing upcoming collections months in advance, further driving the anticipation. Her ability to anticipate trends and create products that aligned with her followers' desires made her releases even more successful. By aligning her brand with cultural moments, she kept Kylie Cosmetics at the forefront of pop culture. The power of Kylie's personal brand. Kylie Jenner's brand success is undeniably tied to her personal brand. She wasn't just selling beauty products, she was selling an aspirational lifestyle. From her fashion sense to her glamorous lifestyle, everything about Kylie was part of her larger brand image. Her fans looked up to her not only as a beauty mogul, but as someone whose style and taste they admired. This made Kylie Cosmetics feel more like a personal recommendation than just another beauty brand. Kylie used her own image and experiences to sell a product that her audience could feel connected to. Moreover, Her family's visibility on Keeping Up with the Kardashians helped boost her brand exposure. But she didn't rest on her family's fame. She worked tirelessly to carve out her own identity, making Kylie Cosmetics a brand people associated with her. What's more, Kylie also became a symbol of female empowerment. She proved that you could be a successful entrepreneur while balancing other aspects of life. She wasn't just a beauty mogul. She was a role model for young women who aspired to turn their passions into successful businesses. Expanding the product line. As Kylie's cosmetics brand gained traction, she knew the importance of diversification. She didn't just stop with lip kits. She expanded her product offerings to include eyeshadows, highlighters, foundation, and more. This expansion allowed Kylie to build a full-fledged beauty empire, catering to a wide range of customer needs. But Kylie didn't stop there. In 2019, she launched Kylie Skin, a skincare line that built on the same success formula as Kylie Cosmetics. She kept the same high-quality, affordable approach to skincare, and Kylie Skin was an instant hit. Her ability to branch out into different beauty categories solidified her as a beauty mogul, not just a lip kit business owner. By offering a comprehensive line of products, Kylie ensured that customers could keep coming back to her brand for all their beauty needs. She also tapped into the skincare market, which was a natural extension of her beauty line. What made Kylie Skin so successful was her transparent approach to the brand. She was very open about the ingredients in her products and their effectiveness. This transparency helped her build trust with her customers and solidified her reputation as a brand that genuinely cared about its consumers. The importance of partnerships and investment deals. While Kylie retained ownership of her brand, she also understood the importance of partnerships and strategic investments. In 2019, Kylie sold 51% of Kylie Cosmetics to Coty Incorporated, a multinational beauty company. This $600 million deal gave Kylie the capital she needed to expand her brand even further, without losing control over the direction of the business. This partnership was a win-win. Kylie gained the resources to scale up operations, while Coty benefited from the massive exposure and appeal of Kylie's personal brand. The move proved that Kylie understood how to use other people's resources to grow her business without sacrificing the core elements that made her brand successful. In addition to the Coty deal, Kylie also expanded her presence in the retail sector, with her products available in stores like Ulta Beauty and Sephora, making Kylie Cosmetics accessible to even more customers. This expansion into physical retail helped her brand grow even more, as it made it easier for customers to access her products in person, diversifying investments and future growth. As Kylie's success grew, she made sure to diversify her investments beyond cosmetics. By expanding into areas like real estate and fashion, Kylie ensured that her wealth was spread across multiple income streams. In addition to her beauty and fashion brands, Kylie invested in technology, healthcare, and media. These strategic investments helped protect her wealth and set her up for long-term financial success, even if her cosmetics business were to slow down. Kylie's forward-thinking approach ensures that she remains not just a beauty mogul, but also a savvy investor who is securing her financial future for years to come. By spreading her investments across different industries, Kylie has positioned herself to weather any economic downturns and continue building wealth in the future. And that's how Kylie Jenner turned her passion into a billion-dollar empire. From her humble beginnings to becoming a beauty mogul, her journey is a true testament to the power of hard work, strategic thinking, and leveraging social media. If you found this video inspiring, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the stories behind the world's top entrepreneurs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.